My name is Chan Kwasnyak. Welcome to NuerTube. I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations and appreciation to Gambella President Ms. Salimito Mot and Vice President Dr. Galwar Wangel for successfully opening the tap water that had been blocked for 3 years. This significant action truly demonstrates that the previous government was indeed an obstacle to the progress of Gambella. Your decisive leadership in addressing this long-standing issue is a clear testament to your dedication to serving the people and improving their quality of life. By restoring access to clean water in Newland, you have not only resolved critical problems, but also restored hope and trust in the government. This achievement highlights your commitment to transparency, fairness, and the well-being of all citizens regardless of their location. It is evident that under your leadership, Gambella is moving in positive direction with a focus on development and unity. Thank you for your unwavering effort to bring about meaningful change in our community. Your actions have set a powerful example of what true leadership looks like, and we look forward to witnessing further progress under your guidance.